Now let's take a look at how you can quickly build a hamburger menu in InDesign using the features in in5 3.4. To build the menu, I'm going to go up to in5 and down to the Build Wizards section of the menu and choose Menu Builder. You can see this wizard is pretty smart because it recognizes that I'm not on a master page. Typically, I want to create a menu on a master page so that I have access to it on different pages. So it gives me the option to apply this menu to a master page. Typically, I would do that, but just for this demo, I'm going to leave that empty. Now, under the menu type, we're going to stick with compact. I'm going to show you the other two types in the next two videos. In the Based On section of the menu, you can create it from, you'll see bookmarks. Bookmarks is grayed out because I don't have any bookmarks in this document, but they're really easy to create. I'll show you how to create bookmarks in the Nonlinear Navigation course on Ajar Academy. But aside from that, you can generate bookmarks by creating a table of contents anywhere, even off the page, and make sure the Create PDF Bookmarks option is selected. It'll automatically create those, and those are nice because you can rearrange them or delete things and control what ends up in this menu. But you also have the option to select a paragraph style, which is essentially how a table of contents is generated. I'm going to select the page title paragraph style. That's the title that's appearing on the top of the page, so it's going to pull all of those from the pages and generate a menu for me. We talked about the other options in the pop-up builder video, so I won't rehash those now, but you can go back and look at those again if you like. I'm just going to click Build It and watch it generate the menu for me. So it's going through, it's creating this multi-state object, and it's all done. So now if I select this and I go into the object states, you can see there's a closed state and an open state, and the open state has all of these items. These are all active buttons. If I go in and select one of these and go to the Buttons and Forms panel, you can see it has an action to close the menu state and then go to a specific page. Now, if I did this with bookmarks, it would actually use the live bookmarks to go to as well. One other thing I want to point out in here is that I can select this text and style that, and a style has been created in my paragraph styles as well. This is an easy thing to update if you have that Create Menu style selected. Let's take a look at one of these menus when it's exported with in5. Here in the output, I have my hamburger menu icon. I'll click on that. Here are the different menu options. If we want to go back and say, look at the pop-up builder, I'll click that, and you can see that's working in there. That's a whole bunch of interactivity and sophistication that we've added to this digital document with just a few clicks in InDesign. In the next video, we'll create an even more sophisticated menu that has animation built in.